Hello everyone. Today we are going to learn Python. We will look at something called, it is a very special part of Python classes. It helps us make new objects. Think of like a setup process. It gets new things ready to be used. It is like an instruction manual for new objects. This is a very useful tool for all Python programmers. So, what exactly is? It is a special method. A method is like a function, but this method lives inside a class. Python calls the method for you automatically. You do not usually call it by its name. This happens when you create a new object from a class. This automatic call is very convenient. It makes sure every object starts correctly. Why do we even need? Well, objects often need some starting values. These starting values are called attributes. The method is used to give an object these attributes. This means your new object is not empty. It has important data from the very beginning. This makes your objects useful right away. It is like giving a new car its keys and fuel. Imagine you are building a brand new toy car. The method is like the first important step in this process. You get the main body of the car. Then, you put on the wheels. You also decide on its color. After these steps, the toy car is complete. It is ready to be played with. The method does a similar job for objects in Python. It prepares them for use. Now let's look at a simple example. This will help us understand better. We will make a Python class called. Remember, a class is like a blueprint. It tells Python how to create objects. What does a dog have? A dog usually has a name. A dog also has a breed. These are important details about our dog. We want to store this information. To do this, we write our method. It looks like this. The word here is very important. It refers to the specific dog object we are creating. The and are inputs. We will provide these inputs when we make a new dog. Inside we will set them. For example, stores the dog's name. How do we use this class and its? We create an object, we can write. When Python sees this line, it does something special. It automatically calls the method for our new object. It passes Buddy as the name. It passes Golden Retriever as the breed. These values are used to set up. So, after this, our object knows its name. Its name is Buddy. It also knows its breed. Its breed is Golden Retriever. If we create another dog, for instance, the method runs again. But this time, it runs for the object. Lucy will have her own name and breed. Each dog object is unique. This is thanks to. The method is a very important part of object-oriented programming. This is often called OOP. OOP is a popular way to write computer programs. In OOP, we use objects to represent things. These can be real-world things, like a person or a car, or they can be abstract ideas or concepts. Using objects helps make our code clear. It also makes it easier to manage complex programs. So, how does help with OOP? It helps us create well-defined objects. Each object that we make starts with its own specific data. This data is often called the object's state. For example, think about an object. A car can have a color and a current speed. The method can set these values when the object is first created, so the car is ready to go. What would happen if we did not have? Setting up objects would be much harder. You would first create an empty object, then you would have to add its color attribute. After that, you would add its speed attribute. This involves many separate steps. It also makes it easy to forget an important attribute. Does all this set up in one single organized step. Therefore, using makes our Python code much neater. It also makes the code easier to read and understand. When you look at the method of a class, you can immediately see what an object needs. You know what information is required for that object to be properly born or created. This kind of organization is very helpful. It is especially true in larger, more complex software projects. It keeps things tidy. Section 4. Smart Tips and Wise Your Friend. Here are some practical tips for using well. First, always use as the very first parameter. Your method should look like this. The keyword points to the new object being created. Python automatically passes this argument for you. You must include it in your method definition. This is a fundamental rule in Python classes. Second, it is a good idea to set up all essential attributes in. Think about what your object absolutely needs to function. Put the initialization of these attributes inside. Try not to create an object and then add important attributes later on. Initialize them right from the start when the object is made. This practice makes your objects more complete. It also helps avoid errors later. Third, you can use default values for parameters in your method. This is very handy. For example, in this case, if you create an object and do not provide a species, Python will automatically use canine as the species. This feature makes your method more flexible. It can add a lot of convenience when creating objects with common default states. In conclusion, understanding the method is super important. It is crucial for any Python developer, from beginner to expert. It is the foundation for building classes effectively. It is how we create useful and well-structured objects. It is a basic building block in Python's OOP features. Learning it well will help you a lot. You will be able to write better, clearer, and more powerful Python code. Good job learning about this today.